YouTube advertising. Invest in YouTube advertising for beginners. One final way that you can promote your YouTube channel is with YouTube advertising. YouTube allows companies to purchase ads to promote their YouTube videos to targeted audiences. Some YouTube content creators might have some reserved media placements to spend money to advertise their YouTube videos. But YouTube ads can be a great way not only to promote your YouTube videos, but also compel your YouTube viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel, visit your website, share your YouTube content with their network, or purchase your products or services. With a Google Ads campaign, you can strengthen your YouTube video marketing, grow your YouTube channel, and get your videos seen by a broader audience. This is especially true for newer YouTube channels that don't necessarily have a large YouTube subscriber base to rely on. The best part of utilizing YouTube's ads is that you get to set your own budget. We hope you enjoyed this short video about YouTube advertising. Invest in YouTube advertising for beginners. Please click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series and YouTube backlink generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.